Hello, everybody. How's everyone doing today? Happy Monday, happy Monday. Welcome. Everyone start off with a smile, and we're going to get started here. And, oh, whoops, hold on a second. Today we're going to be starting.
Hit F1 to kill me.
Hang on a second. I don't know why this is not getting me where I need to be. Hold on a second. I'm not where I need to be here. Hold on. Let me get, otherwise I can't see your comments.
Google Chrome.
And there we go. Okay, here we go. Thank you. Hello. Okay, sorry about that. Now we're live. Here we are. It is Monday, and we're getting our technology down here. Today we're starting our week of Easter sides, so side dishes that you can use for your Easter brunch or dinner or lunch or whatever you are going to be doing this year. So we have our first submission from my good friend and neighbor and client, Heather Fries, submitted this recipe that's one of her family favorites, and we have been to her house on holidays back when you could do that, and have this yummy dish. So it is, I know, a yummy one. I've had it, and simple. So I know everyone's going to be wanting to do as easy as you can, like we are on every holiday when you're running around. This year probably won't be running around as much, but we are going to make a yummy pea salad today for an Easter side dish. So always keep in mind, I'm open to your side dish ideas. Please submit them. We have a cool one on deck for tomorrow too, and a special day for tomorrow. So I'm going to get started here. We're going to start by dicing the onion. So I thought I would just do that on camera here. So we're going to do some slices here and see if anyone has any ideas for Easter sides. You know, one of the things I found, one of the funniest things about this time, this crazy time that we're in, is the memes and the Facebook and the Instagram and the stuff that's going on. Some of them are absolutely hilarious. So post down there if you have really funny ones that you've seen, because we all need as much laughter and happiness and smiles as we can possibly find these days. So post them if you have them. I saw one today that made me laugh out loud. You know, my husband's from Oklahoma, so these ones always make me laugh even more. There was like I don't know what they're called, like a backhoe with a scoop on the front, and they put this backhoe in the middle of the backyard in some field, and they put black plastic all around this thing. I mean, huge circle, you know, and they must have gotten it wet with something, and then they put the ski rope, like a water ski rope, on the backhoe, and they were pulling this guy around in a circle with the backhoe around this thing, you know, kind of like one of those horse things that you see horses walk around on, but fast, like water skiing. Oh my gosh, it was hilarious. And frankly, my first thought was, this would be a great attraction for the Tiger King Zoo. So who are my Tiger Kingers out there? Oh, it was hilarious. It just made me laugh. Laugh, laugh, laugh out loud. So that is going to be plenty of onion for this salad, especially for those of us that aren't raw onion lovers. That is plenty. Might be more than plenty for me. So there we go.
How come you're not crying?
I know. Carrie said, "Why are you crying?" I'm like, "Well, I think I'm about to." Oh, the window. So I started here. I've got 2 bags of organic peas. They are they've been thawing out here, so they are in the colander, but this is what I'm using, just easy frozen peas. And I'm going to wing it a little bit on the, let me see who I've got here. Oh, hey, Jill! Yes, you missed the music. Susan, hi guys, Teresa. Oh, hey, Patty. Oh, there's my sister's back. So hi guys, welcome. We're making pea salad, our first of our Easter side dishes. So this is our first simple one. Got it from my neighbor. Because she didn't really send me a recipe, we're going to wing it. Because that's how she goes, oh, you just do it till it's creamy. Okay. So I started, because we're going to use lemon from my tree. I grew my own lemon, organic lemon. So it's the juice of a lemon in the dish, but I took the zest and I zested it and put it in the bowl, because whenever I use fresh lemon, I can never get enough of that. So we have it, the zest too. So I'm going to take my juice. Actually, let's do the mayonnaise first. She's a mayonnaise lover, so I probably can't put enough mayonnaise in it for her. Are you watching, Heath? Are you on? I'm making your recipe. So we're gonna go here, that's probably 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. I might need more, but we're just gonna do this till it's creamy. So then I'm gonna use some sour cream. So I'm gonna go about 2 parts of mayonnaise to 1 part sour cream, mostly because I just prefer sour cream. I texted her and I said, can I use some non-fat, 0 point yogurt for this, non-fat Greek yogurt for some of this mix? And she was like, oh no, mayonnaise. So I'm just gonna mix this real quick. This is just the sour cream and the mayonnaise. Hey Charlie, Denise, hi guys, welcome. We're making pea salad. We're making our first side dish for the Easter side dish week we are having. Easter side dish week. So I don't think that's gonna be enough to satisfy her version of creamy. So I'm gonna put another little scoop here of sour cream in and mix that in. I'm gonna make noise when I do that. And then, so now we just have the lemon zest, the mayo, and the sour cream. So now I'm gonna take my lemon juice, hand squeezed, hand grown with love by me, stick it in there, with a little help from the bees, I'm sure. So now we've got some lemon juice in that, and I'm going to add some seasoning salt, some just Lawry's, my fave. Actually, I don't think I've ever used it so much as when we started this. Put some Lawry's, I'm going to put some black pepper in there, in our dressing, and then mix that up. Yummy. I'm gonna have to taste this to see. I haven't been tasting things, but before I dump it on all these peas, let's give it a taste here. Needs, excuse me. The onions are making me cry. Needs more pepper for my taste. And I think a dash more salt. I think I'm just going to use a little dash of real salt to flavor this. Instagram peeps, I can't see you because the comments are so small. So you have to come over to Facebook if you want to interact, because I can't see you. You're too small. Hey Linda, how are you? Good to see you. Okay, that is our dressing. So now, of course, what is in the paper towel? Bum, ba-da-da. It is bacon, because what's a salad without bacon? So I'm going to make room here. I'm going to chop up some bacon. So I cooked this morning, and my boys went for it on the bacon, so we had to cook a little more. But I had a little more, so no problem. We've got bacon, so I'm going to chop up this bacon that I cooked pretty crispy, which is how I like it anyway. But we're going to chop this up. You know, everything's easy on camera, right? Hey, Teresa. Oh, thank you. This is actually a dress I have on. I thought I would break out, put a dress on. I even took a shower and washed my hair, is why my hair's wet, because I thought the shelter-in-place look, which is how my hair woke up this morning, was probably not the look I should come on and see all you with. So I took a shower, I'm clean, put a dress on, and ready. Those of you know I wear a dress, every day in my real life. Hey Natalie, how are you, girl? Have you tried? I haven't tried the bacon bits. I usually make things, from scratch that I'm gonna use. So I didn't make the bacon or grow the pig, but you know what I mean. So anyway, I was in another funny thing I saw today was a friend. She's gonna let her husband, I guess, dye her hair because it's gonna, I guess, getting bad. I mean, I'm not sure who would let their husband dye their hair, but this gal's gonna let them. And I was kind of chuckling about that when I got in the shower. And my shampoo says, I don't know, something like color last or extend the color or something on the shampoo. And I looked at the bottle and I thought, well, we're gonna test you here. Okay, so we have our dressing mix there. I'm gonna take the peas. This is 2 bags of the organic peas, just frozen peas, and dump them in there. And then, oh my gosh, Natalie, how are you? My sister's on too. And we're gonna take our onion. I'm not gonna put all this just because, like I said, I am not a raw onion lover. Hey Heidi, how are you? We're making our first Easter side for you guys who are just getting on. It is pea salad. So we have our frozen peas thawed, onion. Now I took tomatoes. These are those little, you know, baby ones. And I cut them in half. So they are ready to go. And then I put a little salt and pepper on the tomatoes just because I like them to have a little bit of zip in the tomatoes. So we're going to dump that in. And that's a whole little carton of these little tomatoes. And then I'm going to put in the bacon because yum, what's not good with bacon? And again, these ingredients are mostly things that people probably have or can easily get in today's, you know, world to buy for Easter brunch. So I'm going to grab a spatula real quick and dump our dressing on this pea salad. And I'm just going to go for it and dump it all in there because again, the directions were until creamy. So we'll see, creamy. Okay, you guys can see this bowl of yumminess here. And I'm just going to mix all those yummy things together. And we are going to have, it looks to me like very creamy, yummy pea salad. Oh my gosh, yes. So that looks very creamy and yummy. Now I've seen recipes for pea salad that have cheese, like cut up cheddar cheese and put it in, or you know, various things, raisins. I mean, I was thinking maybe raisins, but you can make this with, you know, however you want. But it gives you something pretty and green. You put some in a dish here for your table, because if you're having ham, like we're going to be, the sides end up being yummy, starchy things. But there we go. Something green and pretty for your table. Yes, looks yummy. I'm going to dry off my hands here so we can do our drawing, because everyone who has liked or commented on these cooking videos is in the drawing. And today we have, drum roll please, ba-ba-da-da, a really cute set of travel dominoes as one. And then for those of you who are getting your honey-do on while you're home, stuck at home, I thought this would be a good one. It is a little picture hanger set with the hammer. How cute is that? So you can push along the honey-do list for things that, pictures that have needed to be hung for a while. So those are our 2 giveaways for today. Oh, and yesterday we delivered that yummy ravioli, you know, artichoke spinach thing we made. We delivered that to some good friends and clients, and she was making mass. So she let me pick, and of course I picked this glamour, blingy, black and gold edition. So who would think that it was going to be glamorous time for everyone to wear a mask? So I thought, well shoot, as long as we're all going to wear one, I want the pretty blingy one. So I'm all set for my next trip. Let's see, to where? Oh, the grocery store, the only place we go. And as little as possible at that. So thank you, Joan, for my beautiful masks. She's making masks. She has the elastic ones, and she's making tie ones. So I don't know if my director / cameraman gonna come and pick our lucky winners. You can see my bowl's getting full here with peeps. We've already had our bunch of people win. Yeah, that's true. My sister said you should make that salad ahead of time so you can let those flavors all gel, so you can make it in the morning of your Easter brunch. It's a great idea. And you can also taste for your spices before you serve it and see if it needs a little more spice. So our first winner today is Deborah Short, such a dear friend, and she had an awesome day yesterday. She was cooking up a storm. That's our first winner. Second winner, drum roll please, bum ba da da, is Marcia Cooper. Awesome friend and client who works at the elementary school, so she is not at work these days, but Marcia Cooper, you won, and Deb Short, you won. So awesome, and congratulations, and thank you for watching. We have a couple fun things on deck for tomorrow for another Easter side, and it's a birthday day. I have another birthday shout out, Nancy Robinson Schaefer, it's your birthday today. Happy birthday shout out. I don't know where my birthday hat is, or I would put it on for you. But anyway, have a wonderful, wonderful Monday. Remember?
One thing real quick. Since you just kind of threw it together, are you going to come up with a recipe and post it?
Oh yes, I will come up with a recipe and do my best with the amounts, but as you can see, the directions are until it's creamy. So it's creamy. So anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you here tomorrow. Send me your Easter sides and your funny memes that you've seen online so we can all share and smile and laugh. And remember, the only two things you can control are your effort and your attitude. So pick a good attitude, and we'll see you back here tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Thanks for watching.